Ma, dyan ka na pala. You're here. Drunk? Ma, I'm not drunk, okay? Ma naman, minsan na nga lang sumaya, binabawalan niyo pa. Damn. What kind of word are those again, Ma? Is that how you see me now? Like I'm not even your child anymore when you talk to me like that. Drama? Is that really what you think of me? Mom, I'm doing my part as his daughter. Ma, alam mo ba yun? Do you think it's easy being a breadwinner, Ma? Ma, hindi. And if you're struggling with our situation, Ma, ako rin. And if you can't take it anymore, tingin mo, kaya ko pa ba? And now you're blaming me for being like this kind of freaking life, being this kind of your child as your daughter? Kasalanan ko ba? Ba't ako nagkaganto? You never even ask yourself why I turned out like this. You're such an irresponsible mother. Ay, sasaktan mo ako. Ma, please go on. Hurt me. Kill me. You only gave birth to me anyway, right? Didn't even ask you to bring me into this world. So go on. Patayin mo na lang ako kasi sobrang pagod na rin naman na ako. Where? You're asking me where I got tired? I got tired taking over your responsibilities as mother. Iniwan mo lahat sa amin, Ma. When we made it seems like you'd work hard, but the truth is you abandoned us. Di ba una pa lang sinabi mo na sa amin that you're already tired? How many times, how many years, tiniis ko yung pagiging nanay mo sa amin kahit hindi naman. I endured everything, Ma. All the exhaustion. Everything, maging maayos lang pamumuhay namin magkakapatid. Pati pag-aaral ko, pinabayaan ko na just my brothers and sisters would like this and magkaroon lang kami ng maayos na buhay. I was supposed to get award. I was an honor student. Diba? Pero saan? Where are those now? Wala na, diba? Wala. Because I chose to be a mother, we needed instead. Habang ikaw, kinalimutan mo, may anak kang binuo sa mundong kinasayahan mo noon.